Hi there, students. I had a question from Firouz, who asked the difference between piety and reverence. Okay, I think reverence talks about having great respect for something, very often in a religious context, whereas piety, this is a strong religious belief or strongly religious behaviour, something that is morally correct. So piety, holiness, faith, yeah. Whereas reverence, respect, honour, admiration. Let's see, piety. Piety is a strong belief in a religion, and it's shown in the way somebody lives, in the way they act, in the way they do things. Whereas reverence is a strong feeling of respect or admiration for something or someone, very often religions as well. So I think reverence, for example, a football fan might treat the grass of Wembley Stadium with great reverence. Yeah, I think piety, maybe, but it's much better for a specifically religious context. To act with piety, to act following exactly the rules of a religion, perhaps with unthinkingly. Yes, it's something that you have total faith in. Whereas reverence is something you feel. It's something that maybe comes with logic. Okay, so piety is a devout act. Somebody who is pious shows a lot of devotion. They're very reverent. Yeah, but a pious nun, she complies with all of the thoughts and all of the dictates of the religion. Yeah, and is certainly very reverent at all times. But I think somebody showing reverence is a profound feeling of respect, maybe love. Yeah, to honour something as well. It's I think it's linked to that. Okay, so to treat with deep respect, to venerate. Yeah, so he treated the 100-year-old bottle of wine with great with great reverence. Okay, so reverence, to revere, to have a really good opinion of something, a really high opinion of it, to consider that it's something really special, similar to holy, but what's holy for you may not be something that is actually religious, whereas I think piety goes for religion. Okay, so I think that's really the difference. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. So, piety versus reverence, reverent versus pious.